Hello, this is an instructional video for Tuesday, March 8th. You want to scroll down here to Unit 2, Getting a Job, and come to Module 7 and click on Day 2, March 8th. Let's start with the sync folder. We'll start with a conversation activity where we use modals for politeness. Okay, so we'll give different scenarios, and these are some helpful grammar you can use. So here's the first scenario, and you want to make a sentence where you can make a polite question. And then different scenario, another scenario, here's another scenario. Here we go, more scenarios. So with your partner, you will practice making sentences in a polite way using these modals. Then we will look at cars and air pollution one more time, and we will look for the problem. What is the general problem in this essay? We read it once before, but what is the general problem being described in this essay? Then we will practice that skill again, finding the problem in a paragraph. So click here, Children and Technology, open the document. And so you're going to look for the topic and highlight it in blue. You're going to look for the personal experience and highlight it in yellow. And the problem and solution, you will highlight in green. And we're just looking at this one paragraph. You and your partner will look at the paragraph and find these three parts: topic, personal experience, and problem and solution, and then highlight them. Then the next thing we will do in the sync folder is look at present perfect and my bucket list. So we will open this document and we will review some of this vocabulary for bucket list. Snorkeling, solar eclipse, these are the vocabulary words in the paragraph. We're going to look for examples of the present perfect tense. Here is what it looks like: subject plus have, has, plus the past participle of the verb. Here are some examples. So we will read this paragraph and underline every example of the present perfect grammar. And then we will discuss it as a class. Okay, now let's look at the async folder. Async folder, here we go. Okay, so this is a textbook assignment. So click here to see future, page 29. You'll do page 3, part 3, A and B. Write the answers in your book. Then come back here to this step number 2 and compare your answers with the correct answers. And write here which ones you got wrong or which ones were difficult for you, and then press post. And that is the final activity for today, Tuesday, March 8th. Thank you so much for listening, and best of luck.